In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from WorldCoin app. In order to do this, you first need to head over to Google Play Store or App Store, search for World app, install it, and make sure to register. Click on Open right here in order to open the application, and you should be able to see this. Proceed to log in or sign up if you haven't had yet. Now, here is my actual dashboard. On my dashboard, you can see three buttons. We had Home, Wallet, and World ID. Click on Wallet right here. And from in there, you can see if your wallet has any money. If it has, you can proceed to actually use it. You can click on Send right here and send it to people, like for example, Binance, and have it traded on P2P in order to have it as cash on your Gcash or your bank account. You can also click onto these three dots right here. You can send, receive, and you can also click on withdraw right here. Choose right here what you want to withdraw from your World app. Choose World Coin and then withdraw it directly. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.